Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your LEDGER Nano X using a mobile device. Setting up with the help of a mobile device is pretty simple. Of course, there's also a video on our channel on how to set it up using a computer or without any device. Let's begin by going to the right. Of course, you need to turn the device on, and if it's not on, then maybe you need to plug power in. Now let's go to ledger.com/start, or basically if you're using the mobile device, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download Ledger Live app. You see a nice button here. I already have that app, so I'm just gonna open it. But if you don't have it, you may need to go through some basic setup. Now I'm gonna put my mobile device right here. I'll be right back. Now let's go right to the right. You can see that you can use buttons to navigate menus and lists. Press on both buttons to select. Now hold both buttons at any time to go to Control Center. Then start Ledger Live for help during setup. And you can set it up as a new device, restore from a recovery phrase, and that's what you can select. I'm gonna set it up as a new device, but if you want to recover it from a recovery phrase and you don't know how, then you can watch a video on our channel on it, basically. And that video will just show the step of recovering from the recovery phrase, and all the other steps, if you need to follow them from a video, then they can be followed from this video, because here I'm showing a full setup. Now let's go to my ledger. I think I can click on add new here right now and set up a new ledger. Then select Nano X, and I'm gonna create a new wallet. Then let's go further. Let's do this. Continue. Got it. Now you'll need to select setup as new device and select your PIN. So going left, up or down will change the number. Set it to something that you can remember, but the most important part is to actually make it hard enough to guess. And approving with 2 buttons, of course. If you want to delete a digit, go below 0 and you'll have this backwards delete option. I'm gonna set it to something simple, but of course, as I said, make it something actually that's hard to guess, and it can be from 4 up to 8 digits. You can see after 4th digit you have an option to approve it, and it's below 0 and above the backwards delete, and I'm gonna approve it, but feel free to set it to something longer. Now I'm gonna set it again. Let's confirm it that way. Okay, now I'll need to click on next step. I understand. My PIN code is already selected. Then next step. And you can see that on the device everything will be shown, like the recovery phrase and more. So we'll basically need to press on both buttons at once, and your recovery phrase has to be very, very confidential. It shouldn't be shared with anyone at any point. You shouldn't take a picture of it, especially on a device that has internet access, and you shouldn't view it in place with cameras. So write it down on a piece of paper. I'm gonna be showing you that my recovery phrase, but only because I'm not transferring any money on this wallet, so I can show you that. But if you share your recovery phrase with anyone and you have any money on that wallet, then they basically will have access to all your assets and all your money. Let's press on both buttons at once. Now let's go further. press on both buttons to continue, and now I have the first word and I need to write all of them down. You can see I have the second word and there will be 24 of them. So I'll get back to you shortly when I have it done. Now I have it written down, so I'll need to press on both buttons to verify it. And by the way, make sure that you don't lose your recovery phrase, because if you do, then if anything happens to your wallet, you'll basically be left with no money, because this recovery sheet is needed to later on access your wallet if you lose or break the device itself. Now you'll need to confirm the first word. You'll have 4 different options to choose from and select which one is actually true. Then select the second word, third word, and do that until you basically have everything set. So I'll also get back to you shortly. And now my recovery phrase is set. I'll need to keep it in a secure place, of course. If lost or stolen or forgotten, all your assets will be lost. Okay, let's press both buttons to continue. Now I'm gonna click on next step. Confirm recovery phrase. Okay, I'm done on the phone. Now I'm not gonna take a quiz because I already know everything I need to. Okay, I actually need to go through it, so let's go. Okay, next step. And now I'll need to connect to my device because I want to connect it to the phone. So I'll need to click on Add New, and it will start looking for the device. Let's select the Nano X. Now it is pairing. I need to confirm by pressing on both buttons at once, and here I'll need to click on pair if it's showing the same code on both devices. I think I failed because I clicked on press and hold, and I need to click, not hold. Now it should be fine if I didn't exceed the time limit, honestly. Yeah, let's retry because I might have exceeded the time limit, so let's try again. I'll go back. Let's go to the next step. Add new. Now let's see if it finds it. I'll try closing the app and reopening it. Maybe that'll help because I can see that there may be some sort of problem. So let's go to my ledger, add new, and now connect an existing ledger because we already have it set up. And now I can see maybe there's a problem with the ledger itself, so let's press and hold on both buttons at once and go to power off, press on both buttons, and now it'll restart because it's still connected to the power. I have it connected to the cable, so it automatically turns on. Okay, now I can see it. I'll need to confirm. I'll confirm on the ledger first, and yes, it's paired. I just exceeded the time limit most probably. Now it's loading. I'll need to allow secure connection in order to be able to connect it. There's an OS available, OS update available. There will be a video on it, but you can simply just click on it and go through it. Here you can install apps, which are basically different networks that you can have, like the Bitcoin network or Solana or Ethereum. I'm gonna get the Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana, and we'll see that it gets downloaded. You can see it's loading. And that's basically it. There will be more videos on the device on the channel, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.